The case of the flaming fortune. Once upon a time in the bustling judicial jungle of Delhi, there lived a judge named Justice Yashwant Verma, a man so upright he could have been mistaken for a lamppost. That is, until his residents decided to throw a little fiery tantrum on 14 March 2025. It wasn't your average house fire. Oh no, this blaze came with a twist hotter than a courtroom showdown. Stacks of cash, crispy and smoking, tumbling out of the ashes like a magician pulling rabbits from a hat. The firefighters, bless their sooty souls, arrived to douse the flames, only to stumble upon a jackpot that would make a casino blush. Well, one muttered, wiping ash from his brow. Looks like Justice Verma's been burning through more than just case files. The irony wasn't lost on anyone. A judge, sworn to uphold the law, caught with a literal pile of hot money. Talk about a blazing conflict of interest. Word spread faster than the fire itself. And soon the Supreme Court Collegium, those wise wizards of the judiciary, sprang into action. But instead of tossing Verma into the fiery pit of accountability, they opted for a classic legal maneuver, the Great Judicial Shuffle. Let's transfer him back to Allahabad High Court, they declared, as if moving a naughty kid to the back of the classroom would make the problem disappear. Out of sight, out of mind. Problem solved. They chuckled, polishing their gavels with smug satisfaction. The sarcasm dripping from this decision was thicker than the smoke at Verma's bungalow. Here's a judge whose house practically screamed, "Follow the money." And the collegium's response was to give him a one-way ticket to his old stomping grounds. Nothing says punishment like a scenic trip down memory lane, sneered a junior lawyer over lukewarm courthouse coffee. Maybe they'll promote him next, Chief Justice of Charred Cash. Meanwhile, the public watched, jaws dropped, as the legal system bent over backwards to shield its own. An in-house inquiry, the collegium trumpeted, as if a few sternly worded memos between judges would get to the bottom of this smoldering scandal. "We'll ask Verma to explain himself," they said, conveniently forgetting that the man's excuse might be as flimsy as a burnt rupee note. Perhaps it was just a really aggressive piggy bank, Verma might quip, winking at the panel. The fantastic kicker? The collegium insisted this transfer wasn't linked to the cash bonfire, it was just a routine move. Sure, and I'm the Chief Justice of Narnia. In a system where justice is supposed to be blind, it seemed the only thing blind here was the collegium's sense of irony. They'd taken putting out fires to a whole new level, by fanning the flames of disbelief instead. As Verma packed his bags for Allahabad, leaving behind a singed reputation and a suspiciously wealthy outhouse, the citizens of Delhi couldn't help but laugh through their outrage. "Guess the legal system's motto is innocent until proven flammable," one tweeted, while another mused, "If justice burns this bright, maybe we should all start lighting matches." And so, the tale of Justice Verma's fiery fortune became the hottest gossip in town, a pun-filled, irony-soaked reminder that in the judiciary, sometimes the only thing getting a fair trial is the art of the cover-up.